Share with you a guest design team project for Nectars Creations, and this is using her new kit called Cottage Lane Volume 2. She already has Volume 1, and I have actually used a little bit from Volume 1 inside this journal as well. So I will link that below, so please go over and have a peek. It's such a beautiful kit. So anyway, I made a 3 signature journal. It is a reinforced cardstock cover, and you can see the signatures have been sewn in straight onto the spine. I haven't hidden it. There is a wraparound closure. I cannot for the life of me remember how many pages. Oops, yes I do. No I don't. Yes I do. It's 168 pages front and back in this. I know I'd written it down. It's because I'm doing other stuff as well, and I'm writing it all down on the same piece of paper, so I got a bit bamboozled there when I was looking at my own scribbles. So this, let me measure it. This measures 6 3/4 by 4 3/4, and it's 1 3/4 of an inch of a spine. I've put a Tim Holtz book plate on the front here, and it says Journey, and there's 2 little pieces of bling on there. So you just undo this, and like I said, it comes off completely. There is pom-pom trim, there is crocheted trim, and eyelash trim that you can see all kind of hanging out the sides. So the inside cover is just plain white, and I shrunk it down. I can't remember what size. I think I shrunk it down to 90% because I wanted to make a little kind of small chunky journal rather than a big one, because I've just finished a big one. So isn't that lovely, the cottage in the background, the flowers and the butterflies. So it's quite a simple journal as well. So it's been pages have been coffee dyed or coffee brushed, coffee stained, and some stenciling. I've made a little pocket here from one of the pages from Volume 1, sorry. And these are some ephemera from the kit. There is a doily and a paper bag. I've done some edge punching. There's some squared paper. There's a mason jar. It's been backed onto some white cardstock. Got a double doily tuck here. Haven't done that in ages, a doily tuck. And these are from Volume 1, and I just shrunk them down to make journaling cards. Here we have a double pocket there. Forgot to put a tag in there, so made a double pocket there using the papers from the kit. We have here a pocket I made from one of the pages, and we have a journaling card here and an envelope from the kit. Some music paper, some edge punching. We have some some butterflies on the end of the string. Haven't done butterflies in ages, so I've done that. Little flip there. I've used some of the journaling cards and put them onto some jelly bean pockets. A tag from the kit. And this is actually from, is it A Letter to Rose? And I just printed out them and popped that in there. Just made a pocket here. We have a journaling card there. Made some envelopes. There's nothing in the envelopes, but it's that way around. Done some edge punching there, and we've got another doily tuck here. Isn't that pretty, that page? Another journaling card. The other side of the paper bag. Whoopsie. This one has just been paper clipped on, and it's an envelope from the kit, and there's a journaling card inside there. And this is one of the pages and because I was printing extra out to do pockets and things, I had this left over, so I made a tag and that just paper clips on. That's the first signature. Second signature, here I just made a little, it's a pocket obviously, that hasn't cut well, a pocket, but it's also a little booklet, so you can do some journaling, and we have a tag inside there. Lovely butterfly page, another tuck. My plans for this journal was going to be 3 signatures, and the middle signature was just going to be lots of paper for you to journal on. And I obviously I did use some of the kit pages, but I was just going to leave it as pure journaling, and I forgot when I was filling it up with pockets that I was going to do that, so I ended up with 3 full embellished signatures tagged from the kit. And this, oh, I just wobbled the camera. This back image here is like a large journaling card, but I made a pocket, and then I glued that onto the pocket. Then I used this image here, backed it onto some coffee paper, and just done some decorative cutting around the edges. We've got some cheesecloth here and some bling. Some more butterflies. Flip out here, another pocket here with the tag. A paper bag. Another pocket here with some lace trim and a journaling card. So lots and lots of places to journal. We have another jelly bean pocket here, one of the images from the kit, and a tag. Third signature. I made some pockets, and I done some edge punching at the top, made some flowers with some of the paper from the kit, and then just stamped out the word cherish and popped that there. Another journaling card. I hope there's going to be a volume 3, because all these collections, not even the Cottage Lane, but all, you know, her other kits, they just all work well together. Another mason jar. The colours are just so shabby chic, shabby vintage even. Love this with the little frames on there. I just punched out 3 hearts and decorated this page with them and some bling in the middle. Another double pocket here. This was some of the butterfly paper. This is one of the journaling cards. So just made a little double pocket there. Journaling card and a large one there. So like I said, all the links will be below. Some more butterflies, or as my aunt calls them, flutterflies, because they flutter. A little flip out. Here I just made a double side tuck pocket thingy bobber and another journaling card and another little journaling card there. Another pretty page. Here I just made a tall pocket with one of the tags and some pom-pom trim, and the paper is actually one of the kit pages, but you can't really see it now because I covered it over. This is from A Letter to Rose. And here we have another tag and another envelope. And another letter here, and that's from A Letter to Rose. A paper bag, a doily, another pocket, and this one is again, it's got one of the flowers from one of the pages, and not that it's a cutout, I actually die cut the flowers from the pages that I printed out, and a tag, and the word believe, and that is the back page. So you can see it's quite a chunky little journal, a great little writing journal. It feels really nice. It would pop in your bag. It's one of them ones that you could walk around all day just holding. You know, some journals are like that, you just really like to hold them. Or is that just me? Like I said, it's probably the third time now. I will put the links below to the kit. This will also be listed in my shop if you're interested. And go and take a peek at the kits, because they're so pretty. And if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.